Welcome back. We're going to open this link in a new tab. We are then going to select a specific template. We're then going to click Use Template. We're going to give our video a name. We're going to choose specific brand colors. We are now going to upload a logo, and we're going to click Upload. We're going to choose the files to upload. And we are going to enter the rest of our images here in this area. We will then enter the text for our video ad. We're then going to choose our font and our music. We are then going to create our video. And our video is now being created. Once our video is created, we can then upload it to our storage channel. And our video is being uploaded to our storage channel. We now have the URL for our video. What we now want to do is we want to go to our asset library and we want to create the voiceover. We're going to click Create. We're going to check Video and we're going to click Add Voiceover. We are going to grab the video that we just created. If we place our cursor in here, we'll grab the video. We'll then click Enhance Video. What we're now going to do is we're going to add in our video message. We're going to select a specific voice, and we can now test our video voiceover. We can now create our video, and our video is now being generated. And we now have our video ad. We're going to stop the video here, and we're going to come back and we're going to complete our video ad and make it ready for our campaign. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.